Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this stunning Range Rover Sport in Fuji White. This car has previously had only one owner and is a 3-litre diesel. As you can see, you have a black contrasting roof along with privacy glass, 22-inch alloys and red brake calipers, powered tailgate, plenty of space there in the boot for personal items including golf clubs and pushchairs, and you can close it using that one there or the button on your key, which is great if you ever have your hands full. Continuing on round the car, you also have keyless entry, so if I lock the vehicle I can open it just by pulling the handle as long as the key's near me. Illuminated Range Rover script tread plates and a gorgeous two-tone leather interior. You have a sliding panoramic roof, which is really nice to open on a sunny day or just for some fresh air. A fridge compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold, but it can be switched off if you don't use it. Touchscreen with different functions including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Rear view camera, making parking and reversing a lot easier. Valet mode, meaning you can lock the screen so a valeter only has access to your climate control, along with ambient lighting with various different colours to choose from, which looks cool especially in the dark. You can also use voice commands, meaning you can press this button and make commands such as changing the radio. In the front you have heated and cooled seats, ideal for winter and summer. Various different driving modes depending on the weather or where you may be driving. Grass, gravel and snow, sand, rock crawl. Buttons on your wheel, including a speed limiter and cruise control, along with blind spot monitor, making driving on the motorway safer and easier. A heated steering wheel, again a luxury in winter, and this car has done 26,085 miles. You can also change the options in your driver assistance depending on your own preference. The front seats are also memory, which is handy for several people driving the car, and you do also have a Meridian sound system, making each journey that little bit more enjoyable. Stepping back outside of the vehicle, that was the Range Rover Sport. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.